Lot number 602 is a scrap lot of bus parts. As you can see, there's radiators, there's brake drums, there's bus parts. These pallets are full of alternators, AC compressors, power steering gears, brake disc. Over here you got all the brake drums. They're made out of steel. Here you have in the box, you have brake shoes, 2 pallets. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the parts, the steel parts, which is mostly consist of what I said, air compressors for the AC unit, gearing and all that, and more brake drums. And over here, there's an engine block of a 4.6 liter engine right there on a pallet. Radiators, and a lot of drums. Those drums are empty. They're 55-gallon drums. But most of the parts are here. All these parts are going to go for $1 amount. So highest bidder takes it all. All right, it took still photos, so you can do your own calculations. I don't have the piece count, but there's a good quantity there. So do your math. Good luck.